Hello students, welcome to Short of Our classes. So in this video I'm solving this paper of NTSE, that is the National Talent Search Examination at this national level. So it is the second stage paper. So this is question number 36. So here we will see that the question is saying that the following figure represents the number of the students in each of the clubs in a school. So we have this mathematics club and the science club and the eco club and the music club is there. So here this number of the students in each of these clubs it is mentioned, and what is the question? We have to find the number of the students representing at least two clubs of the school. So it is saying that at least you have to find two clubs a student is representing. Okay, so in this case the thing is that it is at least two we have mentioned. So it is 2 or more than 2, we know that. Now which will be the, so these are the number of the students given, so here we will, which will have the at least 2 or more than 2. So it is, first one is 36, 14, 24, 16, 11, 8, 15, 10 and 12, right? So the total number of the students then, so the total number of students who is having at least representing at least two clubs of the school, so will be the summation of all. So 36 plus 14 plus 24 plus 16 plus 10 plus 11 plus 10 plus 8 plus 15 and is plus of 12. So if you do the total sum, it will come out as 146. Okay, so the total number of the number of the students representing at least two clubs, it is option C, that is 146. Question number 37. The ratio of boys and girls in a school for the last 5 academic years are given in the following graph. Okay, if the number of the girls in 2016 and 2017 is half of 2017-18, then what is the ratio of the boys in 2017-18 to boys in 2016-17? So this is the ratio of the boys and girls. You can see in 2013-14 it is 1.9, and so it is going 2.9 in 2014-15. So we have been so our data is confined to this particular, so 2016-17 and 2017-18. In 2016-17 the ratio is 1, and in 2017-18 the ratio of boys to girls is 1.40. So let us consider first that if we this so if we're studying this here, so let B1 be the number of boys and G1 be the number of girls 2016-17. Okay, and B2 be the number of boys, G2 be the number of girls in 2017-18. Right, now the data that is given, that okay, so B1, the boys to girls ratio in 2016-17 it was 1, and 2017-18 the ratio is 1.4, right? And we also have this thing that the ratio is the number of the girls in 2016-17 is half of that in 2017-18. So we have this G1 by G2 is equal to half, right? So we have all this given information over here. Now we have to find the ratio of this B2 by B1. The boys, ratio of the boys, number of boys in 2017-18 to 2016-18, so 16-17. So b2 by b1 is nothing but, so if we do this, so b2 by b1, so this b2 by b1, so we will have 1.4 g2 by g1. So 1.4 g2 is, g1 is nothing but g2 by 2. From here you can get g2 by 2. So this is coming out 2. So in the decimal, so it is in decimal from 2.1. In fraction we can write this as 28 by 10, or it can is written as 14 by 5. So the ratio b2 is to b1, 14 is to 5. So the correct option is C. Option C. Question number 30. A manufacturer of tennis ball is claimed that their balls are the best as a ball would rise constantly 10% of the height from which it was dropped, right? So if a ball is dropped from 27 feet, how much approximately in feet the ball travels before coming to rest? So that is our question. Okay, so you have to find, yes. So how much if the ball is dropped from 27 feet, so how much approximately in feet we have to find the ball's travel before coming totally at rest. So initially, so you can see the first is it is dropped from 27, and then it would rise constantly at 10% of the height from which it was dropped. So we will have this, so 27 bars, so plus it will rise, so it has to rise constantly, so it will plus 2 into 27 by 10. It's again going the 2, why this is 2, because it is this moving down and again going upward, right? So it is the first increase is the initially 10%, then plus we have next. Okay. So up to this it will go like to infinity. Now if we have this similarity over here, you can find, so if we multiply this, the first 27 with another 27, so if we write this 2 into 27 plus, right, 2 27 by 10 plus 2 into 27 by 100 up to infinity. So we have added 127, so we'll just subtract this over here. So now if we take this 2 into 27, 2 into 27, so it will be 1 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 100, right, minus of 27. So this can be written as, so 27 into 2 we know that is 54. So this series can be written as 1 by 1 minus 1 by 10, right, which is minus of 27. So here you will have 54 into 10 by 9 minus of 27. So 54 plus this 60, it will come up 60 minus 27, so it will be 33 feet. Okay, so our correct final answer will be 33, and the correct option will be B, that is 33. So you have to find that if the ball is dropped for 27 feet, so how much approximately in feet the ball travels? It will travel 33 feet before coming to rest.